I'm so tired. Hello, I am officially unemployed. This is day 1 of unemployment and I'm freaking out a little bit. I'm gonna clean the RV, get everything organized, clean it up, make it all nice, and just have a fresh start. I am a little bit in a not midlife, I'm not midlife. I'm a little bit in a quarter life crisis right now. So I don't know if you guys can relate, but I am sometimes a person that I get very overwhelmed. I have a lot of ideas, a lot of things I want to do, and then I don't end up doing it. So I'm trying to be more consistent, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me because I don't know what the heck I'm doing. We're just gonna figure it out together. My RV right now is trashed. This is all the stuff that I'm going through. This is the stuff I'm also going through to get rid of. Just stuff everywhere. I'm gonna do that today, make it nice and clean. I'm gonna start by cleaning off my bed and then go through and clean everything else. It is what it is. La la. Now I do have space next to the bed and under the bed, so I'll show you that. We definitely need to organize it because it's a mess. I have like a little command strip hook right here to hang things on. And then I have my like ukulele and record stuff back here. A little bit better. Then we have the other side. Have just some dog blankets and then a little shelf that I put some books on. I'm gonna take out that shelf and kind of go through some of the stuff. So I went through all the books and then I realized that I've gotten rid of a lot of books recently, and so these are books that I still want to read and I will actually donate or give away once I'm done reading them. Since I have them, there's no point in me not reading them before I get rid of them. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on the shelf and you'll see the mess behind me, but this is transparency. So we have my file organizer and then my bookshelf, which is on the side of the bed. Now I have all this side to organize. Another awesome thing from my friend, Living Water Study. I'll link her information below. Okay, I gotta dry the dishes. This is my sink, it's covered. And now I'm gonna do the bathroom and this area off camera and then I'll come back. All right, so I quickly cleaned up the kitchen area and the bathroom and I'm still working on the kitchen. I still have to get rid of a lot more stuff. So I think what I'll do is end the video here and then tomorrow I'll give you a RV tour once I have everything organized and in place. That way you can kind of see how I decorated my RV, how I organized it, and yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was kind of random. Like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing with my life, so I just wanted to show you a quick tour and I'll show you kind of the area. This is the table. These are some baskets I still got to go through and organize. The kitchen, I'm letting this air out. I'm into the bathroom, organizer, hamper, trash can, mirror area. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. All right, peace out guys, bye.